Hey friends, how is everybody? I hope you guys all are doing great. So today's national days, it is National Buttermilk Biscuit Day. So have some biscuits with your breakfast or something. This next one, National Dance Like a Chicken Day. Yes, it's a real day. Like you gotta walk around and dance like a chicken. So I was thinking, not this year, but last year at Nike, we had some kids in our music program that got to dance like a chicken. And I found the video, excuse me, of my students dancing like chickens and doing their little bark stuff. So it's Dance Like a Chicken Day. It is also National Underground America Day. So I had to look this one up. This is for those people that live underground and celebrating those because it is environmentally friendly and just kind of a different lifestyle of these underground houses. So yeah. All right, National Decency Day. I'm gonna actually click on this one. The sound might come on though. This is to remind us to mindfully listen when people talk. Pretty cool. Like initially I was like, what is this? But it has even like a little acronym that goes with it. Decency is all about active listening, better understanding, and to be compassionate. So yeah, and just being a good listener and what does it say? In everyday life, inspiring, better actions, that kind of thing. So yeah, pretty cool. Be an active listener. Oh, okay. And then National Caesar Day, it is the National Cocktail of Canada. So we're celebrating Canada's national cocktail drink, I guess. Yeah. So today, all right, got all these windows open. I'm going to close this just so the sound doesn't come on. Okay. It is Thursday. And it is May 14th. Thursday, May 14th, 2020. Okay, I am terrible at this whole weather thing. I expected storms yesterday. I shut off my sprinklers because it was supposed to rain. We got like maybe a few little raindrops. I'm not good at this. So today, it is supposed to be cloudy all day and like overcast. Possible storms tonight. But then when I ask Alexa, she tells me storms and there could be, all kinds of stuff going on this evening. So I'm going to go with cloudy because that's what it is now. And I can't get it wrong because it's already that now. And it is still warm. All right. Our current event. So there's the popular musical on Disney Plus coming. So people can watch a popular musical at home soon. The musical will be on Disney Plus starting July 3rd. The musical was filmed in a theater in New York City. People can watch musical on TV, smartphones, laptops, and more. So I have never seen Hamilton. I know I've heard on the news and I've seen people posting and they are way excited about it. Never seen it. I don't know much about it, but the musical is about Alexander Hamilton. Alexander Hamilton is important in U.S. history. He was an important leader. The musical has other important people from history. Will you watch the musical? I probably should check it out just because I truly have no idea about it. Like I had a friend like travel to New York City just for this show, or maybe it was Chicago. I don't remember, but I've never seen it. I don't know anything about it. All right, choice board. My brain did not feel like doing schoolwork today. So I did this life skill one over here of taking the trash out because it's trash day anyway. So my trash bins had to be taken out. So there's my handy dandy trash bins at the end of the driveway, waiting for them to come get them. Our recycle bin is well over full, but they don't pick it up every week. So that's kind of why it's like packed. Plus, just got a lot of stuff in there. But that's what I felt like doing for the choice board today because my brain just struggling this morning. But I hope you guys have an awesome day. I don't know what to tell you about the weather. It looks like it's just going to be cloudy, maybe some storms this evening. So maybe go outside, get some fresh air, and enjoy your day. And don't forget to dance like a chicken. Bye, guys.